Okay, so what is a call option? Well, in 2 minutes or less, I'm going to explain to you exactly what a call option is, so keep watching. Hey, I'm Jason Brown, stock market coach and option trader, and I'm going to break down what a call option is. So a call option is a contract, which means you can buy a stock at a specific price at some date in the future. And the reason they call it call, I want you to think about it like calling your friend. When you call your friend, you call them up. And so call options, you believe a stock is going up. And so you have the right to buy the stock from a person for a specific amount of time because you believe the stock is going up. Or put another way, if the stock moves from $100, let's just say you have a $100 call option and the stock goes from 100 to 110. Because you have that contract or that call option, that piece of paper, you have the right to call them up and say, hey, you have to give me the stock at $100. That's call options explained in under 2 minutes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to smash the subscribe button. And if you want to know more about options, I got longer form videos right here on the channel where I break down calls, puts, and everything about options. Dude, that was 1 minute and 15 seconds. Dang, we still got time. I feel like, do I keep talking? God, that was so quick. Yeah, it wasn't even 2 minutes.